Welcome back to the second model. So in this model, as I told you, that we'll be starting with the front end of the thing. That is that we'll be talking about how I implemented many structures, how I implemented images, how I kind of beautified my website into something that is very visually appealing to. Okay, so I'll also be getting like going through all of the things that after like registering, login, and everything. I'll just show you how my website works as. So this is my project for my WPA fifth semester. So I'm just recording this. So I guess let's just start with the thing. So basically, when we're talking about the CSS part of the thing, that is the you can say the thing of that. So basically, in here we can see here that first of all, this style.css is been used for the home page. Okay, so basically we can see out here is that this is the body, and this is the in the body we can basically this is the most basic body means that the whole home page ka jo bhi, like all of the home page ka you can say background, it consists of background, the colors, the font family is this is the font style, and this is the sub font style. So basically this is how my text will be looking like. The background will be just like the background.jpg. Okay, so basically for this no repeat center sides, so it will be center sized fix. Okay, so that it won't repeat again. Apart from that, when we talk about the color will be black. That is hashtag one I guess here 6 3s. Okay, so basically this is the black thing. Margin will be 0, padding will be 0, and we have done this again with the container basically the compartments. Okay, so in this we'll be looking about with the max width, the margin is 100 px, the background is white, of course the padding is 20 px, the px is pixels. Okay, so pixels, border radius is 8 pixels, box shadow is 0 pixels, 2 pixels, 10 pixels. These are the ratios actually. The box has a ratios, so basically this is we are doing this here. Okay, and there is an input, that there is input known as type, text, email, password. So basically this is for the registration. Okay, so after that, when we're talking about now, here's the style of the button. Now there is a button, like I will show you. Okay, I'll just show you one set. Okay, this map. So this button. Okay, so this sign up button. So we gave this thing a green background. How could we give this a green background? Because here it is shown that we have given it a green background, and the color of the text will be white. So I'll just show you. See, the sign up is in white. Okay, so the background is 0.3 seconds. Okay, the transition will be going when we, like for example, if I do this, so we can see that it fades a little bit. Yeah, now it is bright, it is fade, it is bright, this is fade. So why is it happening? Because when the cursor pointer is held over the thing button, then the background color will fade up to 0.3 seconds. Okay, so basically this is the whole part that I have done in the registration part. The style one part is basically for the, you can say, for the basic adheration of the whole website. Okay, so there's nothing much to tell you guys, just the column, and then the maximum width of the column will be 600 pixels. Apart from that, when you talk about style 2 is for my login page. So login page is the same. Okay, I'll just show you. Login page is absolutely same. I have not done anything other than, like, for example, if you log in here, so yeah, it is the same. Okay, basically but in this I would say that the login page ka jo, the color of the login button is a bit fader in color. Yeah, just to make it thoda sa difference, just to make thoda sa difference in the thing, because sign up it, then the sign up and the login button would be the same, so it won't make any difference. So to differentiate between those, I have done a thoda sa darker shade over this. Okay, so we can see out here it's a bit darker. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, so this is, we can see that here is rock, which is the hashtag 28A7445. Okay, so darker green on hover. Okay, and yeah, and then and all other things are same. The cursor pointer, when it is on the button, it will just the background color will just fade into 0.3 seconds. Okay, Baki, the border is none, the border radius is 4 pixels, the font size is 16 pixels, and the font family is also the same, that is Arial sans serif. Okay, the background is also the same, the color of background is also the same, that is black, margin is 0, padding is 0, everything is the same thing. Now apart from that, when we talk about the style file is basically, I would say, is for the view courses. Okay, so when we're talking about this thing, the font family is Arial and sans serif. Okay, and when we're talking about this thing, yeah, button over, so the button, so the basic thing that I have done is ki every button has should have at least should be from the same color. The fading can change, the you can say the look, kind of the sharpening, the color sharpening, the color contrasting can differ, but apart from that the basic button will be always be green. That is kind of my signature, you can say my template of the my theme of the whole website. So yeah, I'm just sticking to you. If you want you can also create them. Now apart from that, with this this is my style, so basically it has the same thing. Okay, so in you can say that in this thing I have used the same green color, and once I have a pointer over it, for example, once I have a pointer over it, it will just fade, it will just, the background color will fade in 0.3 seconds. Okay, so apart from this, when we talk about style 6 is regarding the view marks. Okay, so yeah, as I told you that I'll be using the green color again, so I have used the green color. The font size again in the Arial sans serif, I'm just keeping the font family, or you can say the font style the same, just to make formality in my website. So this is all of the things. Okay, now with the style 7, I will say that style 7 is for my profile thing. So my profile, the so how my profile will be looking like, my profile will be looking like a bit thoda sa, which goes with the, you can say, which goes with the thing known as formality, or you can say that the thing that really goes well with my homepage, that relieves the theme of my website. So this is also the green one taken. So again, the font family is Arial and Serif. The container has the max width of 600 pixels, 50 pixels, automated 20 pixels, and the background is white, of course. uh, so the box shadow has a ratio of 0.2.10, that is 0 pixel, 2 pixel, and 10 pixel. And the background, the RGBA, like that is the background is the black, and the border radius is 8 pixels. Okay, so like this will be going ahead. Footer, I have also given the footer out here. The footer is basically, so like I'll show you the footer. This wait a minute, I'll just, yeah, so this is the footer. So this is, you can say that the background is white out here. Okay, so yeah, so this is the all of the thing. So this is all over, so this is all of mine, you can say this is all of my thing known as website. Okay, so I'll just quickly log in it to you. Okay, so yeah, I'll just log in quickly to you so that I can, you know, like show. So yeah, so yeah, if I have invalid email or password given, so it will show here that invalid password email. So I will just re-log in here using my perfect given, I guess I'm giving it the wrong prompt. Okay, so so now that if I don't know the invalid email, I'll just sign up again. Okay, no issue. So I'll just do this. So I'll just do this. Yeah. So basically, when this comes, so yeah. So yeah, basically when we are doing this, okay. So yeah, it is up to this mark that it will just yeah. So we'll have to just resubmit the form. Uh, yeah, it will just tell us to resubmit the form. Okay, so apart from that, when we're talking about this thing, so yeah, okay, so when we're talking about all of these things, so this was the whole of my front end thing. Okay, so yeah, I'll just keep the mark out here. So thank you for seeing the video.